Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free RDP, but without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing we want to do is go into github.com, and essentially we want to create a GitHub account. So here's what they're going to ask from us. I'm just quickly gonna copy over an email that I'm using. You can use your original Google account to sign in with Google, but for this video we're gonna be using this email, and we're gonna create our username real quick. And apparently someone is using this one, so we add this and create the account. And they're gonna verify our account to see if we're bots or if we're violating their terms. We're gonna verify our browser. We'll click on verify, and here we see in his head he has this little thing, so we have to match that up. We actually don't see it, which is kind of ironic. I don't think it's this one, and I'm not sure if it's this one, but we're gonna attempt that one. Okay, that was correct. Let's go with that one. And they're gonna send the code to us, which we are gonna refresh our emails here, and we should get our code here. Again, if you use your Google account, this process will be faster. Okay, now after signing in, we are gonna put in our email and password here. I'm gonna click on sign in, and once we're in, it's gonna look like this. So the first thing you wanna do is to see if you can log into tailscale. So we're gonna go to tailscale.com, and inside this website we're going to click here where it says get started. It's free, and then we're going to click sign up with GitHub, and then we're going to click on authorize tailscale, and they're going to do this whole thing, and it's going to ask us a few questions, and it doesn't really matter, you can just answer with any answers. Then click on next, and here you want to pick your device. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows and download tailscale on my Windows machine. Click on download tailscale for Windows, and here it's going to start downloading, as you can see. And then I'm going to click on open, and then I'm going to agree to their licensing and terms, and I'm going to essentially sign in, and then it's going to start installing that. We can put that in the background, and we can close this up. Now inside GitHub you want to create a repository, and this repository you can essentially give it any name, but for this one we're just going to call it RDP for free, just like that. And then we're going to create our repository right here, and see this one, it's done. You want to click on sign into your network, and I'm going to copy this and take it to here, and then I'm going to click sign in with GitHub. Then I'm going to authorize tailscale, and I'm going to click on connect, and you see it says logging successful. In here it should show something like this. Now we can basically just close it, and just like that. Anyways, in here we want to click on skip this introduction, and you can see our device is connected in here. Now next thing you want to do is we created a repo here in GitHub. You want to go to GitHub Actions, the Actions tab, and you want to click on configure simple workflow, and they're going to give you like a simple workflow to begin, but we're going to ignore that, and we're going to go in here and copy our code, and we're going to go back to to GitHub here, and we're going to paste in this code. Then you want to click on commit changes once again, and it's going to create a file called blank.yml. Then you want to go back to actions here, and now it will show Windows RDP browser login. You want to click that. Then you want to click on run workflow once again, and the workflow should begin. You want to wait for it a few seconds. Here it says build. I'm just going to click on it, and then it's going to show something like this. You just want to wait for it to complete doing what it's doing and installing tailscale. Now it says start. You want to click on this link right here, and you want to click on connect, and it's going to say login successful like that. And then here it's going to say section active, RDP is active. So if you go into here, enable RDP and rules, you see all these things. And we're going to go here into machines. You can see it's connected. We're going to copy the IP, this IP address of the one we recently just put in. Oh, it's this one. We're going to copy that. And we're going to go into remote desktop connection and paste in that and click on connect. Then we're going to need to put in the username and password. So, okay, I had forgotten the username and password, but I got it now. So once you're in here, you want to put the username is RDP. Then in here, you want to type in root user 123 and an exclamation mark like so. I made a mistake there. Root user 123 like that. Then you want to click on remember me and OK. And it's going to ask you all this. You're just going to say yes. It's going to configure your remote session, and we are now connected to the RDP. It's going to take a few seconds to set up, but you can just wait a few seconds for it to set up everything. So I'm just going to wait a few seconds here while it sets up. And just like that, you have your RDP running. So we're just going to do a quick speed test. So we're just going to open up Chrome here. And this is Chrome. We don't want to sign in. We're just going to do a quick speed test. So this is the speed of the RDP. So you can get up to a lot in terms of speed. And as for the specifications, we're just going to type in this PC. Again, it's being affected by the internet connection speed that I have. I'm going to go into settings, and we're going to go into system and about device. And as you can see, there is 16 gigabytes and it's 64 cores. So it's a good machine to run. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe, click the subscribe button, like, and comment what you would like on the next video. For now, have a good day.